Okay, how do you align an object so that its averaged normal points directly at you, points directly towards the screen? What do I mean? I'm going to show you. I've got a new scene here. I'll press the A to select everything and then the delete key, followed by Shift A, add a mesh UV sphere. Now make sure that the number of segments, so by clicking here, is set to something you can divide by 3, for example 24. Yeah. Click somewhere in the screen, roll the mouse wheel to zoom in, select the object by clicking on it, left clicking on it, then the tab key to go into edit mode, 1 to go into front view, then go into vertex select mode over here, and also press Z and select wireframe to go into wireframe mode. Click and drag and select all the bottom vertices. Then press X and delete all the vertices. There you go. So you've got like half of a sphere left. Then what else? I'm also going to click and drag all the left vertices here. Again, delete all the vertices. So I've got like 1/4 of a sphere left. Okay, 1/4 of a sphere. Now the next thing you want to do, because I've got like 12 segments here, 12 of these pieces, 12 of these parts, I only want 8. So I now go into face select mode. You can also press 3 on the keyboard. Alt click the first loop, Shift Alt click the second one, Shift Alt click the third one, Shift Alt click the last one. I said Shift Alt click. There you go. Then also make sure you add those 4 parts here by shift clicking them. Shift click, shift click, shift click, shift click. Press the delete key and delete all the faces. There you go. So I roughly want this. I want that whole object with its averaged normal to point directly towards me. That's roughly somewhere here I expect that normal to be. Now how do you do that? Select all the faces, and then simply press Shift numeric 7. There you go. So that's exactly that normal sits here. Okay, that normal pointing towards you sits there. Bang, towards the screen. Now if you want to see all the individual normals of all those individual faces, then you can click on this little icon here. Go all the way down to this icon there. It says display normals. And you can make them longer or shorter. Okay, so you can see like in what type of direction they're actually pointing. Okay, so it's simply by selecting a number of faces. You can select any face. I can just select one face and go Shift numeric 7. You see, that face is pointing, its normal is pointing straight at me. If you select 4 faces, again, it will calculate an averaged normal. Shift 7. That average normal sits roughly there. Points straight at me. Does that make sense? So that's pretty cool. So that's how you do a proper orientation. So again, select all the faces. Shift numeric 7. And the average normal is pointing towards you, which will sit somewhere, I guess somewhere here. Okay, have fun there. Bye bye.